Today, I'm going to review for you a bolt remover, also known as an impact wrench. This type, well, I don't use it very often, but I usually keep it in my car trunk just in case I need to change a tire in an emergency. For example, if my tire gets a flat or runs over a nail or something, I have to replace it with a spare tire. Here in the US, almost every car comes with a spare tire. And I always keep this tool in the trunk, so it's ready to go at any time. The reason I use this tool is because it's cheap, guys. It's affordable, and I checked out some reviews from people who bought it before. Their reviews were pretty good overall. It's not as great as the ones from famous brands, but it's good for the price range. This type, they advertised it as having up to 1,000 newtons of force, but I don't think it actually reaches that. Honestly, I don't think it really gets there, but I tried using it to remove the wheel on my Toyota Camry and it worked fine, so that's good enough for me. I drive a Toyota car and that's all I really need. I find it works well for my needs. So with this type of machine, if you look at its head, the head is really big, the hammer head, as they call it. Inside, there's a very large hammer mechanism, really big. And this type uses a brushless motor, also known as a Robles motor. Another thing I really like, and the reason I decided to choose this one, is that it uses the Makita style battery base, the same type as Makita. So I can use Makita batteries or batteries from other similar brands. I just attach it in. And I always keep a socket head ready for loosening bolts. This is a 21mm socket head, guys, 21mm from Meraki. Why do I only keep this one socket head ready and not any others? Because this socket head, well, I chose it since it's the right fit for the bolts on my Toyota's wheel. So in an emergency, you just need to attach this head to the tool and start loosening right away. No need to pick anything else. Basically, you don't have to switch or choose any other socket head. Because when I'm in a hurry, or it's late at night, I don't have to, otherwise I'd have to deal with a bunch of different heads. They sell a whole box of these, and then you have to figure out which one fits and which one doesn't. That's a hassle, so I just bought this one socket head. And I've also watched reviews from some people who bought it before, and they said this socket head is pretty good, it's decent. Here, take a look at the steel material, the steel it's made from. It's black steel. Yeah, it's been tempered well. The hardening is good. So when you loosen bolts, it helps prevent your bolts from getting stripped. Yeah, because, for example, if some of these socket heads are made from steel that's not good quality, then they'll end up stripping your bolts. Because when these edges wear out, it causes your bolt to slip, and that'll damage the bolt. So, I've already watched reviews about this socket head from other people. And honestly, after using it a few times myself, I'm pretty satisfied with it. And I only bought this one socket head, by the way. Listen to this sound. There you go. And with this socket head, when I attach it here, when I put it on my tool, it's a bit tricky. So I have a tip for you. When you attach it, just turn the tool on gently to help it fit in. See, there it goes in. If you find it a bit hard to attach, just loosen it up a bit.